Hey guys, FutureMeDead here with a follow-up video to ERBB. This is the second video of ERBB that I've done in the past 2 weeks. Reason being is I believe a major bottom was carved out on May 20th. We had a multi-month correction that counts complete on May 20th. And since then, more importantly, the rise from this low has been in a 5-wave move. Okay, you can see it here: 1, 2, 3, triangle 4, upward in 5 to complete the first leg of a sustained move upward. But once we have 5 waves up, we are to expect a correction, and since the correction is a wave 2 correction, I do expect it to be deep. So from May 28th, we have fallen in a 3-wave move through June 4th. At that point, I think it reached the 50% retracement of this move up, and that could have been it. Elliott wave teaches us that once the trend resumes, it's going to the pattern that's going to fold is yet another 5-wave move in the direction of the same trend, which in this case is up. But you can see here we rose in a 3-wave move. I've labeled it here A, B, C. We even have a gap in wave C, which since then has been filled. So this rise in 3 leads me to believe that that only completed wave B of a 3-wave move down, which we denote A, B, and C in yellow here. Wave C's are always subdivide into 5 waves. So I've started to do that here, and I do think we have lower to go. I want to turn to the daily chart briefly. And so you can see here, this is the low that was carved out on May 20th, and we rised in 5 waves. I want to draw your attention over to this pattern. This is an evening star pattern. It's a bearish reversal pattern where you have a bullish candle followed by a gap up, but this second candle can either be a doji or a spinning top, and is confirmed once we have a red candle into the body of the first candle. Now this doesn't mean we're gonna make new lows, but it does tell me that we probably will see a continued downside on the next day. So that's very, it's a short-term top, sort of confirming, not sort of, actually confirming my analysis here, where I'm expecting wave C to subdivide, stair step its way lower. Okay, so the real purpose of this video, though, because the underlining, the larger trend here, I am bullish, short-term bearish. The purpose of this video is to identify a buying opportunity and where that level is. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to pull out my Fibonacci extension tool. And the reason I'm pulling out this tool is because I want to see wave C, a relationship between wave C and waves A. Usually, the most common relationship is in a correction is equality, and so that is to say wave C would equal the length of wave A. So what I've done is I've drawn the Fibonacci extension tool, the length of wave A, and I'm projecting it from the top of wave B. Okay, and you can see it's giving me the 100% retracement level here in purple. That comes in at 0.0271, call it 0.027. Additionally, I can compound that as well by pulling out my Fibonacci retracement tool and drawing the retracements of parenthesis wave 1 to kind of give us what I call a zone. This would be my buy zone here. Like to color code everything so it's visually pleasing. The buy zone is going to start at the 50% retracement level, 0.0278, and the end of that buy zone is going to be the 61.8% retracement of wave 1. So anywhere in here, I expect wave C to terminate. You could also, if you'd like, to play this. You can do this in 2 ways. You can be aggressive and buy, enter here once we enter the buy zone, or what you can do is you can split your order. Maybe you can, buy half of your position here at the 50% and maybe the second half at the 61.8. I will also note that, you know, wave C could extend lower because this is only a guideline, but wave count invalidation, which would tell me that this entire analysis and this video is wrong, comes in at 0.0191. So this is where my stops are. So I'm going to go ahead and label this invalidation. And so what that means is if we drop to this level, I missed out on some, you know, there's another pattern here underway that I've somehow missed. But this pattern is very clear. It's very textbook. So we are going to get a buying opportunity pretty soon, probably either Monday or Tuesday. So that's it for ERBB. You guys know where to find me, at FutureMeDead at Twitter. Good luck.